Good morning from Grand Plain Farm. It's June 2nd, 2025, and it's about 10 after 9 or so. Just got finished doing everything I need to do. The water, because I am leaving for an overland trip. I'll be gone the next couple days. I do have people that are here most of the time, in and out, so they can check on the animals. My daughter-in-law, my son, and my wife. So it's gonna be kind of relaxing, doing something a little different. Randy, what are you doing? Anyway, today is a little overcast, so it shouldn't be too hot. The pigs have a habit of dumping their water over. That's my only issue here. But I think they'll be okay. So anyway, I get ready for my trip. So I'll catch you next time.